What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today we're going to be making a monkey gland. Now, the monkey gland is a very famous Prohibition era cocktail, and it is kind of, I think it is often maligned by some bartenders, and you don't see it on a lot of bar lists specifically because it uses orange juice. And like the Blood and Sand, cocktails that use, a fair amount of orange juice, in this case it will be 1 ounce, are kind of maligned by bartenders because they think it is too sweet. Now, I will also say that the only sugar content comes from the orange juice and the grenadine, and I think that when orange juice is used well, it can be divine in cocktails. So that is my step to telling you guys that you guys should really try this drink and not judge it just because it has orange juice in it. The story behind it is that there are 2 bartenders that claim to have made it. The first one is Harry McElhone, which you guys have heard a lot about. Harry McElhone was a Scottish bartender that really cut his teeth in New York and became famous in New York. And during Prohibition, he moved back to Paris and opened Harry's American Bar in Paris. He also claims to have invented the sidecar, and we all think that he did invent the sidecar, and he claims this drink as well. The other guy who claimed it is a guy named Frank Meier, who worked in the bar at the Ritz Hotel in Paris as well. We don't know who made this drink, but during that time, just like a lot of bartenders were flocking over to Paris to ply their trade, they were either going to Paris or London, and they were doing it to ply their trade legally. There was a lot of Americans who were flooding into the City of Lights to drink legally, and this sudden influx of people made the bars very competitive. So that's what I got for you on it. Now, the first thing we're going to do, even though I usually teach you guys to do the least expensive ingredient first, is we're going to wash our glass with absinthe. If you guys have an atomizer, really, I've just been very lazy about using atomizers on this channel, but you guys really should use an atomizer. An atomizer is basically a perfume spray, and then you can just spray it into the cocktail like so, and it gives you a nice even coat. I do not have an atomizer on set today, so I'm going to be doing it the old school way. And basically what we're going to do is we're just going to add a little absinthe to the glass like this, and we are going to coat the inside like so. Or you can like roll it. See, I spilled a little absinthe, look at that. I don't believe in waste. So obviously this is too much absinthe to have in your cocktail. So once you feel like it has been sufficiently coated, I'm just going to take that absinthe as a shot. And there we have our absinthe rinsed glass. Then, as far as the cocktail goes, it's pretty simple. We're just going to do ½ an ounce of grenadine, 1 ounce of orange juice, two ounces of gin, and we're going to add our ice to our big tin, combine, and shake. Center our glass. Yeah, I got a good lock on that one. And double strain into our glass. And then, wow, that's not want to fit there. That goes there, cool. I'm dropping things. All right, then we're just gonna garnish it with an orange twist. And the orange twist is just gonna provide it with that really nice, intense orange flavor without adding any more citric acid. And here, we're gonna taste it. That is more balanced than you would think. And I gotta say, I'm loving the grenadine and the orange together. The grenadine kind of provides it like a depth of flavor that you wouldn't think that you would get here. So it's a much deeper, richer, and more balanced thing than you would think given the ingredients. So there we have it, my friends, the monkey gland.